Imagine standing at a crossroads faced with a life-changing decision. What truly guides your choice? Is it the physical brain or something more, your mind? This question has fascinated humanity for generations. We often speak of the brain, a remarkable organ, processing information and coordinating our actions. Yet, we also speak of the mind, the realm of dreams, ideas, and conscious awareness. Are they separate, or do they work together in a dynamic partnership? Understanding this relationship isn't just academic, it's the key to unlocking our potential. If we grasp how thoughts and the brain interact, we might discover new ways to learn and overcome challenges. Today, we embark on a journey, not to distant lands but into the wondrous landscape within ourselves. We'll explore the marvel of the brain, delve into the mind, and investigate the connection that binds them. Prepare to be astonished by the power within you, waiting to be understood. The story of mind and brain is the story of us. Let's consider the brain our physical command center. This 3-pound organ, protected by the skull, is a universe of complexity. Billions of neurons form a vast network, constantly buzzing with electrical and chemical signals. These signals allow rapid communication throughout the nervous system, governing our bodies and processing the world. The brain controls our most basic functions: breathing, heartbeat, digestion. It's also our gateway to the world, interpreting sights, sounds, and sensations. Every movement and reflex originates from its intricate workings. The brain is the hardware of our existence, underpinning thoughts, emotions, and actions. Its structure is the result of millions of years of evolution, a testament to nature's ingenuity. Understanding this physical basis is the first step in appreciating its connection with the mind. The brain is the stage upon which our inner life unfolds. It's the machinery behind our experience, and it's only half the story. Now let's turn to the mind, a concept more elusive than the brain. We can't see or touch the mind, yet its presence is undeniable. It's the essence of our subjective experience, where our inner life unfolds. The mind is the realm of thoughts, where ideas are born and problems are solved. It's where imagination takes flight, and memories shape our identity. The mind is the seat of our emotions: joy, sadness, anger, fear, coloring our experiences and motivating our actions. Here, our sense of self and consciousness emerge, the awareness of being alive. If the brain is hardware, the mind is the software, processes and awareness running on the brain's platform. While connected to brain activity, the mind transcends mere physical description. This inner landscape makes each of us unique. Exploring it is a journey of endless discovery. The mind is the theater of our lives, and it's what makes us human. The relationship between mind and brain has sparked debate for millennia. How does a physical organ give rise to non-physical experiences? Dualism, championed by Descartes, suggests mind and body are separate, one physical, one non-physical. But how do they interact? Monism, on the other hand, sees mind and brain as two aspects of a single reality. Many scientists now believe mental states emerge from brain states. The mind is what the brain does. Psychology and neuroscience explore this link, using tools like fMRI to observe brain activity during thoughts and emotions. These tools reveal intricate correlations between brain regions and mental functions. While consciousness remains mysterious, science is illuminating the dance between brain and mind. The quest to understand ourselves continues. For years, the adult brain was thought to be fixed, unchangeable. But neuroscience has revealed neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize throughout life. Our experiences, behaviors, and thoughts can physically change our brain. Learning new skills forges new neural pathways. Repeated actions strengthen connections. We're not passive victims of our wiring. We can actively shape our neural landscape. Positive thinking can strengthen circuits for well-being. Negative patterns reinforce stress. The mind isn't just a product of the brain, it shapes the brain too. This dynamic interplay is at the heart of neuroplasticity. We have the power to influence our own mental and neurological development. By directing our thoughts and experiences, we can cultivate a healthier, more resilient brain. Neuroplasticity opens new avenues for growth and healing. The brain is changeable by choice. The mind's power to influence the body is more than theory. It's seen in countless stories of resilience. Elite athletes use mental training and visualization to enhance performance, activating brain pathways as if they're physically practicing. This synergy between mental focus and physical prowess leads to extraordinary achievements. In health, patients recovering from serious illness often credit a positive mindset and determination for their progress. The mind supports healing, complementing medical treatment. People overcoming fears or phobias retrain their brain's response through therapy and exposure, reclaiming their lives. These stories show the mind is not a passive observer. It's a dynamic force, shaping our experiences and helping us overcome challenges. The mind can be an architect of change. Our beliefs and focus matter. We're more powerful than we think. How can we consciously cultivate a healthier mind-brain connection? Mindfulness is a powerful tool. Mindfulness is the art of paying attention, bringing gentle, non-judgmental awareness to the present moment. It's about observing thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise, without getting swept away. A simple technique: focus on your breath, noticing the sensation of air entering and leaving. When your mind wanders, gently return your attention to the breath. This practice trains focused attention and awareness of thought patterns. We learn that thoughts are just thoughts, not facts. Mindfulness creates space between awareness and reaction, allowing conscious responses. Over time, it reduces stress and fosters calm and clarity. Scientific research shows mindfulness can change brain structure and function, strengthening areas for attention and emotional regulation. It calms stress responses and builds resilience. By practicing mindfulness, we engage neuroplasticity for well-being. It's a gentle, transformative tool. Harnessing the power of your mind to shape your brain starts with small, consistent steps. Integrate mindfulness into your daily routine. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Find a comfortable spot, close your eyes, and bring awareness to your body and breath. Notice sensations, acknowledge thoughts or emotions without judgment, and gently return focus to your breath. Mindfulness isn't limited to sitting. Bring awareness to daily activities like eating or walking. Savor the colors, textures, and tastes of your food. Feel your feet connect with the ground as you walk. These moments of present awareness can be woven throughout your day. Consistency matters more than duration. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. The mind will wander. Simply notice and return. Over time, these small acts foster peace, clarity, and control over your inner world. You are actively participating in reshaping your brain. Each mindful moment is an investment in your well-being. You hold the power to create a more positive reality. So, is it the mind or the brain that leads? Perhaps that's not the right question. The brain and mind are not adversaries or separate entities. They are beautifully interconnected. The brain is our biological foundation. The mind is the vibrant expression of its activity. They are two sides of the same coin, engaged in a dynamic dialogue. This partnership makes us uniquely human. Understanding this unity is empowering. Through neuroplasticity, our mind can shape our brain. Our choices, attention, and habits can alter the brain's structure and function. This gives us agency over our inner lives. By nurturing our mind and understanding our brain, we unlock new capacities for growth and well-being. Embrace the power within you. In the dance of mind and brain lies the key to your extraordinary potential.